Okay, this is a Disappearing South series. Y'all, this is such a lovely little house. Look down the side there. And I'm gonna walk right up on the porch. Look here, we're going right up on the porch. We ain't going inside, but I'm gonna show y'all. Look, door standing wide open. Y'all look here. Oh my goodness gracious. Get right up here so you can look up there too. You see all the insulation coming down. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I'm sorry, I know I keep saying look at this. I can't help it. It's just what I'm thinking. I'm standing here looking at it and I'm like, I can't believe what I'm looking at. This is a Disappearing South series. Did I say that? If I didn't say it, let me say it. This is a Disappearing South series. Oh, there's something on the wall over there. Y'all, I'm gonna try to zoom. Is that gonna clear up? Yeah, I don't think it's gonna clear up. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. Cobwebs. And you see me, see, there I am. All over the windows. I can't help it, y'all. I wonder when I come and look at these Disappearing South places and I'm like, what happened? This is number 212. What happened? And it was magnificent. Oh man. Okay. Alright, so I go back to the car. Still, this is across the street from the beautiful house that I was just looking at. And you see that was where the porch was. And there were 2 fireplaces, 2 chimneys back here. So that's one that has burnt down. You can see the corner piece here. I'm gonna turn back around and look at that house again. I'm gonna go down and look about down this side. Yeah. Disappearing South series, everywhere we look.